Microsoft Access is a powerful tool. It helps you store and manage information. You can use it to create databases. These databases can be simple or complex. Access is like a digital filing cabinet. It helps you organize your data. Access is used by many people. Businesses use it to track inventory. Schools use it to manage student records. You can use it to organize your personal information too. With Access, you can easily search, sort, and report on your data. Access is a relational database. This means it can store data in different tables. These tables can be linked together. This allows for efficient data management. You don't have to enter the same information multiple times. Learning Access is a valuable skill. It can improve your job prospects. It can also help you in your personal life. Let's dive in and learn how to create your first database. Creating a database in Access is easy. First, open Microsoft Access. You'll see a screen with different templates. These templates are pre-designed databases. They can help you get started quickly. For this tutorial, let's start with a blank database. Click on Blank Database. Give your database a name, click Create. You now have a new database. Your database is empty right now. It's like having a new filing cabinet with no folders. We need to add tables to store our data. Tables are like folders in your cabinet. They organize your information. In the next section, we'll learn how to create tables. We'll also learn how to define fields. Fields are like the labels on your folders. They tell you what information goes where. Tables are the building blocks of your database. They store your data in rows and columns. Each row represents a record. Each column represents a field. To create a table, click on the Create tab in Access. Then, click on Table. A new table will appear with a single column named ID. This is your primary key field, which we'll discuss later. To add more fields, click on the Click to Add column header. Choose a data type for your field. Data types determine what kind of information the field can store. For example, text fields store text, number fields store numbers, and date time fields store dates and times. Give each field a descriptive name. For example, if you're creating a database of customers, you might have fields like first name, last name, address, and phone number. Once you've created your fields, you can start entering data. Click on a cell in the table and start typing. Each row you add represents a new record in your database. Key fields are special fields in your tables. They help you uniquely identify each record. Think of them as ID numbers for your data. There are two main types of key fields: primary keys and foreign keys. Primary keys uniquely identify each record within a table. Foreign keys link tables together by referencing the primary key of another table. To designate a field as a primary key, select the field in Design View. Then click on the Primary Key button in the ribbon. Access will automatically prevent you from entering duplicate values in a primary key field. Foreign keys are created when you establish relationships between tables. We'll cover relationships in the next section. Key fields are essential for maintaining data integrity. They ensure that your data is accurate and consistent. Section 5. Relationships, connecting your tables. Relationships are the glue that holds your database together. They link tables based on common fields. This allows you to access data from multiple tables without redundancy. For example, imagine you're building a database for a library. You might have one table for books and another for authors. You can create a relationship between these tables using the AuthorID field. This field would be a primary key in the authors table and a foreign key in the books table. To create a relationship, go to the Database Tools tab and click on Relationships. Add the tables you want to link. Drag and drop the connecting field from one table to the other. Access will automatically enforce referential integrity, ensuring that all foreign key values have a corresponding primary key value. Relationships are crucial for querying your data effectively. They allow you to retrieve related information from multiple tables simultaneously. Section 6. Querying your data. Asking the right questions. Queries are like questions you ask your database. They allow you to retrieve specific information based on certain criteria. Instead of manually searching through your tables, you can use queries to filter and sort your data. To create a query, go to the Create tab and click on Query Design. Select the tables you want to query from. Choose the fields you want to display in your results. You can also add criteria to filter your data. For example, if you want to find all customers who live in a certain city, you can add a criterion to the city field. Access will only show records that meet your specified criteria. Queries are a powerful way to analyze your data. They allow you to extract meaningful insights and answer specific business questions. Section 7 Forms, User-Friendly Data Entry. Forms provide a user-friendly interface for entering data into your database. Instead of working directly with tables, you can use forms to enter data in a more organized and intuitive way. To create a form, go to the Create tab and click on Form. Choose the table or query you want to base your form on. Access will automatically generate a basic form with fields corresponding to your table or query. You can customize your forms by adding labels, instructions, and even images. Forms can also include buttons that perform specific actions, such as saving a record or navigating to a different record. Forms make data entry easier and more efficient. They also help to enforce data validation rules, ensuring that the data entered is accurate and complete. Section 8 Summary, Your Journey into Databases. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of databases with Microsoft Access. You've learned how to create tables, define key fields, establish relationships, run queries, and design user-friendly forms. Mastering these basic skills can significantly improve your data management capabilities. Whether you're organizing personal information, managing business data, or pursuing a career in data analysis, Access provides the tools you need to succeed. As you continue your journey with Access, explore its more advanced features. Learn about data validation, report creation, and automation. The possibilities are endless.